Take a look what kind of product I found on AliExpress. And what is it? It's a power bank. Yes, 20 watt fast charging power bank. And what is interesting about this power bank? It says that it's with cooling fan. RGB LEDs with cooling fan. We're gonna check that. You can also it have a 15 watts magnetic wireless charging plus 22 watts wired charging unit. Come with removable PD fast charging cable, and you can choose black color, white with orange, white with yellow, and this one is 20,000 milliamperes. But by the time I received the product, I have ordered 10,000 milliamperes and they sold out, so only stay the 20,000 milliampere model, Magsafe power bank with cooling fan, magnetic wireless 22 watts, fast charger power bank for iPhone, for Xiaomi, Samsung, Huawei, and the price is not cheap. It's around $20 US. And if you want to check this product, I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. I ordered it, and of course I got it. Okay. Oh, what we have here? What it says? Mobile magnetic card holder. Nice. Oh, bubbles. Ooh. First remove the cables. We want to see what kind of cables are included in the package. Nice. Oh, I have already touched it. Alright, nothing here. And the bubbles. Ooh. And it's already on. It shows 40% capacity. And my unit is 10,000 milliamperes. They are very quick sold out, and only 20,000 milliamperes. You can check them or order it. Ooh. And feeling nice. The plastic is very nice. It's smooth. It's not like a cheap plastic. So let me explain. On the top we have the Type-C double function. Through this connector Type-C you can charge it, the power bank, and also you can charge the device or smartphone. We have a lighting connector, the power button on this side, with one press you activate the indicator for the battery, and with long press what will happen? Nope, double press, nothing. Okay, we have a holder for the power bank, so you can place it like this and put your phone, which is nice. And what is the most important thing? But first I'm gonna remove the protector. It's better. Oh, such a nice feeling. Ooh. The most important thing and cool thing is the fan. Take a look. This power bank have a cooling fan. And I like very much this transparent part where you can see the electronics, you can see the capacitors, the connector, Type-C connectors, the fan. Awesome. Power on, 40%. Beside the power bank, you will get one short Type-C to Type-A cable, and the other one is so you can hook it up on the power bank and take it with you with the power bank. That will be nice. And this cable, it comes like this. It's from the both sides. It's a Type-C connector. Whoa. From nice. And also included keep with mobile magnet card holder. Yes, this thing is attached, so can very nice attach to the phone. It's with self-adhesive, so you can attach it on your phone. If your phone doesn't have this, you can attach the holder. And let's take a look at the specification. What does it say? Magnetic wireless charger power bank, capacity 10,000 or 20,000 milliamperes. Mine is 10,000 milliamperes. Wireless output 15 watts. The input power can be 20 watts. Output can give 22 watts. Material ABS. Color you can choose black, yellow, orange. Support 22 watts fast charging. Support 15 watts magnetic wireless fast charging. Support type C input and output. Support for Apple input and output. Okay. You will with cooling fan, built-in removable cable, 2-in-1 charging cable and lanyard. Nice. My phone, my very old phone, have a wireless charging. And let's take a look. Will it work? What? Can you hear it? The cooling fan is working really. And right now my phone is charging. What does it say? I'm gonna remove it and let's go again. Yes, and it says fast wireless charging. But take a look now at the cooling fan with those RGB, fading RGB LEDs. It's awesome. And ooh, and I can feel it. The airflow, I can feel it. It goes in this way. But how it works? How will it will cool down the smartphone? If you maybe from the air that will flow around the phone, it will be little bit colder. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to charge it and see with how much current it will charge the power bank. And yes, I'm gonna use my USB tester from both sides. And I'm gonna plug in. And yes, right away it pulls what? 5 volts, 500 milliamperes. And we have a flashing second number of the indicator. Oh. It resets and now it PD trigger sets to 12 volts and it's pulling 1.5 amperes, 18 watts. Nice. Automatically trigger the charger from 5 to 12 volts and right now it's pulling 18 watts. Isn't that nice? And in the same time the cooling is working. Why? I don't know. Okay, 18 watts of charging. But can we charge the power bank and in the same time wireless charging my phone? I'm waiting. Yes! Take a look. Wireless charging. Okay, I'm gonna put this lanyard. Okay, and the cable goes just like this. And you can take the power bank together with the cable, which is pretty nice. Remove the cable, plug into the connector to the phone. And it's charging also through the cable, but how much current is giving, that is the most important thing. Through my USB tester we're gonna find out. And what does it says? Whoa, it triggered 9 volts, 1 ampere, 10 watts. Right now the phone is charging with 10 watts. I like it. Beautiful. And the cooling fan Still working. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. My knife. Okay. Take a look how easy it is to use the power bank. Pulling the holder, placing like this the power bank. This is an old iPhone, but it will work very fine. It holds the phone, and at the same time you can charge it and watch on your phone. Pressing why it's not charging. Oh yes, it will. Yes, it starts to charging. Leave it like this. What you can ask more from this? Isn't that nice? Alright. And I think in hot summer days this cooling fan will do the right job. It's not too much blowing of air, but it's enough for cooling little bit the phone. Let's say if you're playing a game and your smartphone getting too hot, this thing will cool down little bit. And I allow it, as I said, because it have a transparent plastic right here, so you can see the electronics and the fan. Beautiful. Okay, that was all for today's video. If you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow with new video.